everyone, welcome back to Libby's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. I was recently out looking for school supplies for Josh, and I really don't leave the house unless I have researched where the savings are, because I do most things on a budget, and because I am a busy mom, like many of you are, we homeschool here. So between homeschool, my social calendar, which most of it is just, play dates and church commitments and obligations, in addition to our family business in sports, this planner stays pretty packed. Now, I'm not a planner hobbyist. I do not on a weekly basis load this thing up with pretty decorations. I do use washi, I do use stickers, but that's the extent of it, because I need majority of my space for the activities that I do on a day-to-day basis. So with all that being said, I was at Walmart and they had these planner stickers. It's from the All Glam planner, or it's from their line. And if you're anything like me, who plans on a budget, this planner, if I'm going to accessorize it, I'm going to use what I have in here, or if the accessories are going to be affordable, because while this is necessary, these really aren't. And so I can't justify spending an absorbent amount of money on planner stickers when I also craft, and that's kind of a necessity. Crafting is a necessity. But with all that being said, anyways, so if you're like me and you were wondering whether or not the extension of their planner line will accommodate the Happy Planner, which is the planner that I have. I use this planner because it is very flexible. I like the disc system where you can easily take your pages out, add them in, pop them in, pop them out with very little issue. And then they also have so many different, accessories and packs that you can use to that are specific to your lifestyle. Different types of sheets. You have, what do you call it? Meal planning, and the list is endless. So the whole purpose of this video is for us to find out together, in case you were wondering, whether or not these stickers will work in the Happy Planner. So let's just go through and take a quick flip through and see what they actually give us. So here is the back sheet, and it comes in this cute little, so that's easy to keep up with. So it does have some gold foiling stickers. I actually really like it. I do like that it is a subtle shade of pink in here. I'm all right with hot pink. I have my hot pink days, but subtle pink is cute for the average Monday through Friday. Maybe Saturday can use hot pink or something, I'm not sure. But so you got your flags and your page flags and polka dots, and I think they did a really good job with this. Now, I know I've heard some people complain because these were way too similar to the Happy Planners line. But that's what competition is for, really. So there are people who are going to shop an inexpensive line who are not looking for high quality items for their planner. Me personally, whether or not the sticker stays on there is the extent of my concern. I don't need a signature designer to create accessories for my planner. I'm looking for something cute and inexpensive, and I think that they hit the mark on there. And I'm glad that Walmart has stocked these, or has there must have been a request for them, a big request for more, because I think in the spring when I actually purchased my Happy Planner, or early, maybe it was in the winter. I'm not sure when it was. Walmart, I did so because Walmart didn't have I couldn't find the disc system that they had. They actually had them in a few stores and online, but not, the pickings were slim and the variety was very limited. So you have, you know, the square stickers, the page flags, the inspirational quotes, bullet lists, more inspirational quotes, some gold foiling on that page. Let's see. I'm really loving this. And I think I paid $4.88 for this, and this is the one with 15 sheets. There's one with 35 or 30 sheets in it, and it was $6.98 or something to that effect. So this is a really good buy for, you know, you're getting quite a bit for your money. And some of these stickers are, it's like a, not all of them, but like this one, for instance, is on a matte translucent, it's matte and translucent, or should I say opaque? I'm not sure what, but either way, it's not paper. It's like it's vinyl or plastic. So that's cute. They've got gold foiling throughout. If you are that type of girl, a little bit of glam, spice up your day, make you feel like you deserve it. Well, you do deserve it, right? Busy evening. And then once I get finished flipping through, I'm just going to see if some of these larger stickers will fit in the planner, just to give you an idea if this is something that you can use in your planner, because the size of the calendar squares and the daily, weekly squares, they vary a little bit from one planner to the next, even within the Happy Planner. But before you go out there and purchase it, I mean, $4.88, that's your kid's lunch. So before you go out and purchase it, let me just do you the honors of trying it out here. I'm going to use the stickers regardless, whether I use it in the planner or whether I use it in crafts or cards. I'm going to use them because they're cute. Okay, so let's just take a look and see. I'm just going to open up, that's April. I did very little in April. I usually don't use this calendar because I need a wall calendar so that when my husband stops by my desk, he can see what all's going on in the week, and I also make a copy of that and put it on our refrigerator, and I'm not able to do that with this calendar. So to avoid it being a repetitious situation, I don't use it that often. Okay, so let's just see if this sticker, Good Vibes Only, or Coffee and Good Vibes, let's see if this sticker will fit, and I believe it will. Let's just see. I tore that a little bit, but whatever, it'll work, right? All right, so it's off a little bit. I don't know if you can see. Let me see if I can. It's off just a little bit, but it will work. All right, so let's get to the daily. Here we go. Let's move over to September, where I have nothing scheduled just yet. September 17th, which I think that's my dad's birthday. Let's see if there's anything in here that will fit in terms of the planner part. Okay. All right. You've seen it here first. All right. So let's see. And yay, it works. It works. I am so excited. I mean, I'm cheap. Let me just put it like that. I am cheap. I like to save. I do not like to spend full price for anything. But when I need something or I want something to the top of my mind, I might not have a coupon. So this is definitely a great alternative to And that's really my main concern, is being able to use these type of things on here. If I want to make it cute, I don't want to plug up the whole slot, because for me, this is how I use my planner. Because it's 3 sections, let me see if I can scroll back out. Because it's 3 sections, I use the top part for morning, which is classwork. We homeschool, so it's pretty much just classwork, okay? This part is things that I'm doing from 12 o'clock to, let's say, 4 o'clock, which is typically dentist appointments, play dates, meetups, library, things that are happening at the library, things of that nature. And this part is really everything that happens from 5 to bedtime, whether that's housework, life group for church, let's see, baseball practice, basketball practice, dinner with hubby, anything like that. Those are the things that, so I really do rely on this here layout to keep my day organized. And so I think for $4.88, for the amount of stickers that they give you, it's 15 sheets. It doesn't actually say how many stickers, but that's a lot. You definitely get your money's worth. And this isn't the only style that they have. Just so you know, this is not the only style that they have. This is the All Glam planner. So this goes with their All Glam planner design. They also have one that's a little bit more bright, hot pink with turquoise and purples and things like that. And I think that one might have gold. It might have silver foil. I'm not sure. But either way, I hope this video helped you decide whether or not you want to either invest in the Happy Planner, or whether or not you can also use the budget-friendly planner stickers found at Walmart for a fraction of the cost of what you would spend for the Happy Planner stickers. I am by no way affiliated with either of the 2 companies. I'm not getting paid to endorse anything. I'm just putting this out here for you other planning sisters and moms who want to save and want to save time. You don't want to be searching for it, and you also want to save your money, which allows you to spend more on the things that you want to spend more money on. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and as always, stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative and crafty.